To allow or deny install unknown apps from Samsung Pass in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find apps, and then tap apps. Next tap apps more icon or three dot icon, select special access, scroll down the screen, tap install unknown apps, and then tap install unknown apps. Scroll down the screen, find Samsung Pass, and then on Samsung Pass tap switch until blue to allow Samsung Pass uh, to install unknown apps, or tap switch until gray to deny. Tap switch until blue to allow, or tap switch until gray to deny Samsung Pass to install unknown apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.